You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with the distance between 2 points. The distance between the 2 points is square root of 136, or 11.662. Let's solve it step by step. Plot the 2 points and calculate the distance using the formula. The coordinates of point 1 are, x1 equals 2 and y1 equals 8. The coordinates of point 2 are, x2 equals -4 and y2 equals -2. D is the distance between the 2 points. Plug the coordinates of the points into the distance formula. We begin by calculating the expression inside the parentheses. Simplify numbers raised to exponents. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the distance between the 2 points is square root of 136, or 11.662.